Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to undo changes within Notes. So for example, you have this text as you see, and you want to delete this text, or you accidentally deleted this text, for example. So select it and then delete it, but you did it by accident, and you don't know how to undo this. So basically it's very easy. You just shake your phone, and as you can see, this means undo, and tap on undo, and as you can see, this is back. So you can do this with anything. So this is another test. As you can see, you selected it or you deleted it accidentally. You just shake your phone and boom, undo, and the text is back. So this is really easy. You can do this with with close to everything, and it's not only within Apple Notes, but in every app available. So if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.